Which Pilates reformer is actually worth your time and money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the right fit for your needs. Today, I'm breaking down 5 of the best options out there.
Product number 1, Yuge Pilates Socks. Let's kick things off with the Yuge Pilates Socks. Priced at just $9.99, these non-slip grip socks really caught my attention for their comfort and practicality. If you want stable footing during your Pilates sessions, this is worth a serious look. These socks are made of 90% cotton and 10% spandex, which means they're soft, breathable, and great at wicking away moisture. The silicone gel grips on the bottom are a game changer for anyone worried about slipping on slick surfaces. You get a solid grip, which helps you maintain balance and avoid injuries, especially if you're practicing on hardwood or gym floors. Plus, they're machine washable, so you can keep them fresh after each workout. Now, some users mention that the sizing could be a bit off, especially for those with larger feet. Here's the thing though, the one-size-fits-most design means they may not fit everyone perfectly, but for those with shoe sizes 5.5 to 9, they should work just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for affordable grip socks to enhance your Pilates practice. Skip this one if you have larger feet, as they might not fit comfortably. Overall, for less than $10, you can't go wrong. Now, if you want something that really targets those stubborn areas, the next product is definitely a step up.
Product number 2, ProBody Pilates Fitness Circle. The ProBody Pilates Fitness Circle, priced at $23.95. This 14-inch ring is designed for toning those hard-to-reach areas like your inner thighs, arms, and core. If you want a tool that packs a punch in your workout routine, take a closer look. This fitness ring is lightweight and made from 100% foam, making it easy to carry and store. The medium resistance level is perfect for beginners and seasoned Pilates fans alike, allowing you to enhance your strength with every workout. Using this ring regularly can help improve your posture and balance while providing a targeted workout for those stubborn areas. However, some users found the resistance to be less challenging than expected. Here's the thing though, it's meant to be a tool for toning and sculpting, not a heavy-duty workout device. For many, this makes it perfect for integrating into their existing routines without overwhelming themselves. This is perfect for you if you're looking to tone specific areas without going overboard. Skip this one if you're already an advanced user looking for intense resistance. At this price, it's a solid addition to your Pilates toolkit. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for full body workouts. Product number 3, Janua Pilates Board, Purpleette. Let's talk about the Janua Pilates Board, which retails for $88.90. This multi-purpose foldable board caught my eye because it combines Pilates with full body training in one compact piece of equipment. If you want versatility right at home, this is definitely worth your attention. This board features a high tension resistance band that can be adjusted for different fitness levels, making it suitable for everyone. It also includes a smart timer and a phone holder, so you can track your workouts and watch videos while exercising. The dimensions are pretty manageable too, measuring 42 inches long and 16 inches wide, making it an excellent option for smaller spaces. Some users reported that the assembly could be a bit tricky, which might be frustrating for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get it figured out, the variety of exercises you can do far outweighs that initial hassle. It's truly a versatile piece of equipment. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive workout solution at home. Skip this one if you prefer traditional reformers with more extensive features. At under $90, it offers great value for a full body workout solution. Now, if you're looking for something with even more features to enhance your training, keep watching.
Product number 4, Janua Pilates Board Black, but this one in sleek black, priced at $89.90. Just like its purple counterpart, this board offers incredible versatility for home workouts. If you want a stylish option that still delivers on functionality, this could be your best bet. This board has the same great features as the purple version, including adjustable resistance and a smart timer for managing your workout sessions. It allows you to target multiple muscle groups, giving you a balanced workout experience. Plus, with its foldable design, it's super convenient to store away after use. However, some people found that the surface area might feel a bit small for certain exercises. Here's my take. While it may not suit everyone's preferences, it's still ideal for most beginners and intermediates looking to maximize their workouts without taking up too much space. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a stylish and functional Pilates board. Skip this one if you need something larger or with more extensive capabilities. At about $90, it's a strong buy for its multifunctionality. Now, if you want an even more comprehensive kit that combines various tools, you'll want to check out the next product.
Product number 5, Croy-Vine Pilates Board. We have the Croy-Vine Pilates Board, priced at $76.80. This is not just a board, it's a full workout kit that combines several fitness devices into one. If you want something that gives you the most bang for your buck, this is worth considering. What's impressive about this board is its ability to transform into multiple tools. It includes resistance bands, an ab wheel, and even push-up handles. This means you can perform over 15 different exercises targeting your entire body. It's designed to improve balance, joint stability, and overall strength, which is fantastic for anyone looking to get serious about their fitness. Some users noted that it can feel a bit bulky when fully assembled, which might be a concern for those with limited space. Here's my perspective. While it's a bit more involved, it offers incredible versatility that can replace several individual pieces of equipment in your home gym. This is perfect for you if you enjoy variety in your workouts and want an all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you have very limited space and prefer compact equipment. At this price, it's a great deal for what it offers.
Up, we've covered the U Pilates socks for grip and comfort, the Pro Body Pilates Fitness Circle for targeted toning, the Janua Pilates board in both colors for versatile workouts, and finally, the Croy-Vine Pilates board for an all-in-one fitness solution. Each of these options has its strengths and potential drawbacks, so it really depends on your personal needs and goals. Happy Pilates!